Good morning everyone. We are here in Ridgeview Estates in New Valley to check another foreclosed house and lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this house. Currently, andito tayo sa may tapat ng open space. This is a small park and playground. And yung property na i-check natin is katapat niya lang. Ito po siya. Ayan yung property. So let's go. Pasukin na natin siya. So ito po yung property. Ayan yung harapan niya. This is 200 square meters lot area. And then ang floor area niya is 117. So meron ditong maliit na alley or iskinita going to the other street. And then ito yung pinakalanay niya. Dito tayo papasok sa lanay. So ganito siya. Open layout po. And as is where is po ang turnover natin. Okay? So meron tayong isang bathroom dito sa baba. So kitchen. Kayo na bahala kung saan nyo ilalagay yung living and dining area nyo. Including your kitchen kasi open layout siya. Pwede nyong ilipat siya or maglagay ng extension dito for your dirty kitchen or another bedroom. And ito po yung side ng property. So pasukin natin siya dito ulit. Ito yung pinaka main door niya. Ayan. So ito yung pinakaharapan ng property. Ayun yung parks and playground. So, akitin natin siya sa taas. So, itong hagdanan niya, palitin na. Yung bakal na lang ang naiwan. So, kailangan na po siyang palitan. And then, dito sa taas is open layout din po. Okay, naka-laminated wood planks na po yung flooring natin dito. Pero pwede nyo pong palitan yan ng ceramic tiles. It's up to you. So, ayan po siya. Meron po tayong tatlong aircon provisions. So, hanggang 3 kwarto po ang pwede natin gawin. Dito sa taas, pwede rin po tayo maglagay ng additional bathroom. Ayan, meron kasing bintana dito na maliit. Ayan. Ang bathroom po yan. May provision po siya for another bathroom. And then, meron po tayong balcony. Ayan po siya. So, ayan po ang view niya. Okay. So, again, this is 200 square meters lot area. Regular price is at 11.5 million. And discounted price is at 10.4 million for approval. So, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 30% spot down payment upon approval of our offer. And then 70% balance in-house financing exclusive of taxes and fees. Itong Ridgeview Estates, ito yung kauna-unahang subdivision dito sa New Valley, Calamba na sasalubong sa iyo. And ito yung under Avida na malalapad yung kalsada niya including secondary roads. And maganda rin po yung amenities niya kompleto. Parks and playground, swimming pool, basketball court. So again, if you would like to schedule a viewing appointment and would like to make an offer, just message us directly.